Hey guys, good morning. Look at this. Can this plant have any more flowers on it? Anyway, I want to show you the Tokyo Bacana cabbage, or Chinese cabbage. Man, this thing is looking beautiful. It's got beautiful leaves, and you can eat it raw or cook it. They say kind of, if you stir it, it kind of tastes a little bit, it has a nutty flavor. I've never had it, so I think I'm probably gonna pick it today and have a salad. And then you got little ones coming up here. Got some more. Another one here. So if you've had it, leave a comment. Let me know if you like it. And here are the beans my daughter planted. Look how quickly they've grown. It was like 2 weeks ago she planted them, something like that. Anyway, just wanted to share. Thanks for watching. God bless.